welcome back to my channel. Finally giving you guys a shower routine video. I've wanted to do this for such a long time and you guys have requested. I was finally able to do one in this new space. On days like this, I actually start out by putting my contact lenses on. I am short-sighted and I need to see what I am doing, especially on days like this where I go the extra mile with my skin and I exfoliate and all of that. I can't wear my glasses into the shower, obviously, so I put my contact lenses on first. After that, I cover my hair to protect it from the water. This shower cap is so massive and I feel like it looks funny on my head every time I put it on. But one thing it does, however, is that it protects my hair. So this is everything that I'll be using in the shower today. I have a shower gel here, a body scrub, facial cleanser, and a cleansing bar. And I'm going to explain to you guys how and why and how often I use each and every one of them. So the first product that I'll be using is the Cetaphil cleansing bar. This is a very gentle cleansing bar and it is gentle enough for you to use all over. When I say all over, I mean all over. It is really good. It has a very nice crisp, clean scent to it. I really love it and it lathers really well. It does not dry out the skin and it does not also leave your skin feeling greasy or anything like that. I just like to use it with a loofah. Like I said, it lathers really well and I go over my body with it. I start from my neck downwards and I just love the way it smells. I love the way it lathers. I love how clean my skin feels after I use this. So I double cleanse. So this is the first cleansing that I'll be doing in the shower today. And this is to get rid of all the dirt and all the things that I actually want to get rid of. Like, this soap is so effective. Sorry. I love it so much. It might look like I'm scrubbing really hard here, but I am actually not. I'm just scrubbing really fast. But the loofah that I use is very gentle. After that, I will rinse off and go in with this shower gel that I got while I was in Dubai. I really love this one. It smells really good and it's hydrating. And that's essentially why I love shower gels, or I use them to double cleanse. They are hydrating most of the time, or the brands that I like are hydrating, and they also smell fantabulous. So I just do the same thing I did the first time with the Cetaphil. I cleanse from my neck downwards. I have normal to dry skin, neck downwards by the way, and oily skin on my face, and that's why I'll be using two different types of products for those two areas. After that, I'll go in with a scrub. This is the vitamin C scrub from Treehouse. I love this so much. My skin feels absolutely amazing every time that I use this. My skin glows. My skin feels soft. My skin feels moisturized. Oh my gosh, I can't see. Listen, this. Look at it. Oh. It smells absolutely amazing too. So I like to use this to scrub everywhere from my neck downwards, okay? It gets rid of all the dead skin cells. I use this on my elbows, especially focus on my elbows, my knees, my underarms, the parts of my skin that tend to feel the driest. And this is one of those scrubs that once you're done using it, you don't feel like you've stripped a layer of something from the skin. Your body just feels soft and supple. I love this so much. I love it, okay? Love it so much. After that, I'll go in with this Cerave foaming cleanser for my face. It's gentle, it gets rid of the oil I have on my face and cleanses thoroughly without stripping my skin dry. Love it. And after that, I rinse off and then I leave the shower. To moisturize my neck downwards, I'm going to be using this body lotion from Cerave. I really love it because it's hydrating without feeling greasy. It does not feel like you have something sticky or just something heavy sitting on your skin. It hydrates so deeply, but it doesn't feel like, it's just so lightweight. I don't know how they've done it, but they've done really well with this. I love it a lot. I will not be doing any skincare for my face in this video. I will have a video dedicated to that coming up soon. I already told you guys before. But once I'm done moisturizing or hydrating with the lotion, I go in with this Vaseline oil. I've talked about this before. I really love it. I love the way that it kind of seals in moisture I love the consistency of it. I also love the fact that it doesn't feel like you have groundnut oil sitting on your skin. I love the way that it smells too, you know. So I just take my time and I apply this over the areas where I already applied the lotion. My skin feels really subtle, not subtle, very supple and soft with this. I really love it. I love the way that I feel when I have used this. After I have done this, the next thing will be to use deodorant. I'll be using this one that I got in Dubai. It's a Dove aluminium free one, and I like it. It's decent, not good for days that you'll be sweating a lot, but it's decent. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.